give the kids some money. All right, Nicholas, come on over here, bud. We'll get you some money. Come on over here, pal. Nice one. We'll put you right over here. And a little bit of money for our friend, Phil. Hey, Nicholas, look at this man and cry. You'll get more money. Nicholas, he seems to pretend he doesn't have any money. You take this. He's got your money. That one. We got some cash here. That's okay, yeah, sure. A loonie's great. Okay, we got $2 from Phil. Everybody clap and cheer for Phil. Nicholas, check it out. We're going to do this really, really quick so we can do the big tricks. Nicholas, I've got 2 loonies for you. Take this one, Nicholas.
Cójalo.
Put this one in your pocket. Because this one I'm going to do a magic trick. Everybody say, ooh, magic.
Ooh, magic.
Okay, watch the magic. Watch it when it happens. Everybody